Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Salaamu Alaikum. Hikmah number 211 of Nahjul Balagha, Amirul Mu'mineen gives us some simple yet profound advice. This hikmah consists of 13 individual sentences from Amirul Mu'mineen, many of them no more than 3 words long, but yet extremely profound in their meaning and essential for us on our journey towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The first piece of advice that Amirul Mu'mineen gives, he says, Al-Jud harisul a'raz, says that generosity brings honor. You never hear anyone speak about a miserly person in a good way. If you were to go to the house of a miser, people would say, oh, you're going to starve if you go there. Or if you were to travel with a miser, people would say, well, make sure you get your money from him first. Or if you were to go out and eat with a miser, people would often say, well, make sure he's not forgotten his wallet again, or make sure that he pays for his portion of the food at least. And so you see that the miser doesn't have any sort of honor in society. But on the other side, a generous person will always have honor. Whenever there's mention of a generous person, people will speak about his hospitality, about his readiness to give advice, about his desire to help. And they will always speak about the generous person with love and with admiration. And indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves the generous one as well, because he manifests this godly trait. In one of the narrations, the Ma'soom alayhi salam tells us, says, As-sakhi, the person who is generous, qareebun min Allah, is near to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَقَرِيبٌ مِّنَ الْجَنَّةِ, and is near Jannah. وَقَرِيبٌ مِّنَ النَّاسِ, and is near the people. وَبَعِيدٌ مِّنَ النَّارِ, but is far from the fire of hell. But on the flip side, the bakhil, the miser, the narration changes, says, وَالْبَخِيلُ بَعِيدٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ بعيد من الناس بعيد من الجنة وقريب من النار. The miser is far from God, he's far from the people, and he's far, far away from heaven, but he is near to the fires of hell. The first piece of advice that Amirul Mu'mineen gives us, that if you want honor in your life, make sure that you are generous. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.